Okay, so this is the new trimmer that I got from Amazon today. So we're gonna do this unboxing now. So what's inside is a trimmer from Syska. Model is HB100, I guess. Yes. We'll see what's inside this. This could be really handy for every man in the lockdown period. So you can have yourself haircut or beard trimmed. So here we have the new Syska trimmer. This seems good. 20 lens setting, 0.5 mm precision, and this is a model number HB100. And specifications, package contain, all those things are given here, the box. And these are some details of the trimmer. So the seal is unopened. Trying to open the seal. Here we have the warranty card and the manual, user manual. So there's a lot of information given here. We'll keep it aside. We'll have the feel of this trimmer. This looks heavy. This is really heavy, but feels good. Feels good. Just a tad. Trimmer blade is really good. This is how it looks. The actual trimmer. It has two shades of silver coated, steel coated plastic though, and a black color. This is the rotor to adjust the size. We can cut from 0.5 mm to max 2.5, and they say that 20 settings adjustments can be done using this clipper. So these clippers sit here like this. You just push it from one side and adjust it to the next side, and this is done. This is loaded now and ready to use. Let's turn on the trimmer, or before do that we'll see what other accessories is given. So this is, each trimmer, the clipper has its own legs. This is 3 mm, not sure if you can see this. It says 3 mm setting and 4 to 6 settings, 7 to 9, and this is big, 10 to 12. And we have a charger. This is kind of a type B port charger, pretty low grade only, not a good one. We have a brush to clean the trimmer, and this is actually a stand which also capable to do the charging. So you see that there is a clip here to charge, and we need to plug in the port here this way, and you plug it in so you can do the charging. So that sits this way. This is how the actual charger works, and can be used as a stand as well. See? Good. And now let's turn on this trimmer, and this part of the trimmer is a display actually. So you turn on, and there you go. The trimmer works. One touch, it goes off. And you can change the clip by gently pushing it out both sides and keep changing it. That's all it is. It's all set now. One touch, start using it. All done. Yeah, thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share and like, and if you feel anything good about this video, you can comment it out so that I can cover it up in my next video. Thank you.